Hello, you. Yes, you. You came back, and that truly is powerful. Welcome to Kunzy in English, the podcast for English learners. This is more than just a podcast. This is your daily spark, your personal space to grow, to rise, to speak English, not just with your mouth, but with confidence, with your soul. Today is day 2 of our English-speaking shadowing challenge, and I'm truly proud of you for showing up again. Do you know what makes the difference between I wish I could and I can? It's not talent, it's not luck, it's this. You, showing up, again and again. Fluent English isn't magic, it's a choice, a habit, a journey you walk every single day. And today, you just took another strong step forward. No, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. So, take a deep breath. Feel your heartbeat. Because for the next 10 minutes, this moment is just for you. Let's speak. Let's grow. Together. Now let's step into the heart of today's practice. Today, you'll continue building your speaking skills using the powerful method of shadowing. A simple yet incredibly effective way to train your English. We'll be using clear, slow, easy-to-follow English sentences. Your task is simple. Listen carefully to how I speak and repeat it exactly as I do. The tone, the rhythm, the emotion, let them all flow into your voice. Just 10 minutes a day. That's all it takes to begin seeing real change. Your pronunciation. Your confidence, your fluency, they'll all begin to grow, gently, naturally, day by day. Remember, this isn't just a podcast. This is your voice gym, a space not just to learn, but to become someone who can speak English with ease, energy, and presence. Come back here every day, practice with me. Every day, you'll get just a little better. And with every little step, you move closer to the version of yourself that speaks clearly, confidently, and powerfully in English. You're not standing still. You're moving, growing, step by step, day by day, from A1 to A2, then to B1, and yes, B2 and beyond. And let me tell you something important. Advanced English is not a dream. It's real. It's possible. And you're already on that path. Every word you speak, every sentence you repeat, it's building your fluency. Right now, in this very moment, you're becoming more confident, more natural. Mistakes? They're not failures. They're proof that you're learning, proof that you're brave enough to grow. So be kind to yourself. Keep going. Because the English speaker you dream of becoming, they're already inside you. We're just bringing that voice out into the world, one beautiful sentence at a time. Your brain thrives on repetition and rhythm, and that's exactly what shadowing gives you. Both. All you need to do is listen, repeat, and feel the natural flow of real English. Today, we speak with energy and confidence. We're not just repeating words. We're building a voice that's strong, clear, and alive. Now, if you haven't done day 1 yet, I encourage you to pause this episode and start there first. Each day in this challenge is carefully designed to build on the last. So don't skip ahead. Every step matters. Every moment counts. This is your journey. One powerful breath, one confident sentence at a time. This isn't a competition. This is your personal journey. You've always been there for others, giving your time, your energy. Now it's time to take these 10 minutes just for you. Take a moment, grab your favorite cup of tea or coffee, put on your headphones, take a deep breath, and let's dive in together. This is where the real magic happens. This is where your confidence and your fluent voice begin to grow. So let's focus. Let's speak with intention. Let's speak with purpose. You're not just learning English. You're becoming someone who can speak it clearly, confidently, and powerfully. And it starts right here. right now. Let's begin our sentence practice now. Remember, we'll repeat each sentence 3 times. Listen closely. Repeat after me and feel the rhythm of real English. I am learning to speak fluently, one word at a time. Explanation. This sentence emphasizes that fluency doesn't come all at once. It's built piece by piece, one word at a time. Each word you master brings you closer to your goal. I am learning to speak fluently, one word at a time. I am learning to speak fluently, one word at a time. I am learning to speak fluently, one word at a time. I practice English because I believe in my growth and progress. Explanation. You're not just practicing for the sake of practicing. You are investing in your growth and progress, believing in your ability to improve with each effort. This mindset will keep you motivated. I practice English because I believe in my growth and progress. I practice English because I believe in my growth and progress. I practice English because I believe in my growth and progress. I can feel my English getting better with every shadowing practice. Explanation. Notice how you're feeling the progress. Each time you practice, you can sense improvement, even if it's small. This is proof that shadowing works and your hard work is paying off. I can feel my English getting better with every shadowing practice. I can feel my English getting better with every shadowing practice. I can feel my English getting better with every shadowing practice. I speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Explanation. Speaking slowly and clearly helps your message come across better, and confidence makes you sound more natural. By practicing this, you build a speaking style that people can easily understand. I speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. I speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. I speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. I am not afraid to make mistakes. They help me grow. Explanation. Mistakes are not failures. They are a natural part of learning. Every time you make a mistake, you grow, learn, and improve. So embrace them and continue moving forward. I am not afraid to make mistakes. They help me grow. I am not afraid to make mistakes. They help me grow. I am not afraid to make mistakes. They help me grow. I repeat what I hear, and my brain starts to remember naturally. Explanation. Repetition is key. When you repeat what you hear, your brain starts to remember more naturally. The more you practice, the less effort it takes to recall and use English correctly. I repeat what I hear, and my brain starts to remember naturally. I repeat what I hear, and my brain starts to remember naturally. I repeat what I hear, and my brain starts to remember naturally. Take your time with each sentence. Feel the rhythm, feel the flow, and let your brain absorb it naturally. Every repetition brings you one step closer to fluency. Let's continue with 4 more sentences. Remember to repeat each one 3 times and focus on how the words feel and sound. I use shadowing English every day to train my ears and my voice. Explanation. Shadowing is a powerful method to train both your listening skills, ears, and speaking skills, voice. By practicing every day, you're improving your ability to understand and speak English naturally. I use shadowing English every day to train my ears and my voice. I use shadowing English every day to train my ears and my voice. I use shadowing English every day to train my ears and my voice. Even if it's hard, I keep going because I want to speak fluently. Explanation. Learning a language can be tough, but your desire to speak fluently keeps you moving forward. When it's hard, remind yourself that struggle is a part of growth, and you're getting better every time. Even if it's hard, I keep going because I want to speak fluently. Even if it's hard, I keep going because I want to speak fluently. Even if it's hard, I keep going because I want to speak fluently. When I shadow English sentences, I learn real pronunciation and natural rhythm. Explanation. Shadowing helps you learn authentic pronunciation and rhythm. It's not just about words. It's about how they are spoken in real-life conversations. Shadowing gives you the confidence to speak English as it's naturally spoken. When I shadow English sentences, I learn real pronunciation and natural rhythm. When I shadow English sentences, I learn real pronunciation and natural rhythm. When I shadow English sentences, I learn real pronunciation and natural rhythm. I am proud of my progress, and I know I can do more every day. Explanation. It's important to acknowledge your progress. You're doing great, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Believe in your ability to improve, and remember, every day is an opportunity to do even better. I am proud of my progress, and I know I can do more every day. I am proud of my progress, and I know I can do more every day. I am proud of my progress, and I know I can do more every day. Great work. You've completed another set of sentences. Keep practicing and you'll see even more progress. You are truly amazing. Wow, you just completed day 2 of the 5-day shadowing challenge. Give yourself a round of applause. You are doing absolutely amazing. You are truly incredible, and I am so proud of you. Remember, you can pause this video anytime and practice more. The more you practice, the better your pronunciation will become, and your confidence will grow with every session. Until next time, keep your energy high. Always wear a smile, and remember, you can do this. I believe in you. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. If you've enjoyed today's session, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep growing with us every day.